Today, a contractor accused of taking money but failing to finish several jobs made it to court voluntarily at the direction of the U.S. Marshals Service after several missed hearings for his own bankruptcy case. This all comes after we revealed a judge was sanctioning and holding that contractor in contempt for failing to show or comply with court orders. Several of his customers also claim they're out of the thousands of dollars they gave to him to complete jobs, but he never did. Investigative reporter Blair Sable has been following this story. And Blair, what was the reason that he told the court that he hadn't been showing up?
Well, Michael, he simply told the judge that he didn't know he had to show up, but says he has nothing to hide now. 2 months ago, when I emailed him asking him why he wasn't appearing for these court-mandated meetings, he told me he wouldn't show up to the hearings that, quote, were not valid nor mine. Now, Ronald Brent Ergel is representing himself in this case, and there was a period of time this afternoon that he was questioned by the U.S. trustee behind closed doors, but he also had to answer to the judge in open court. Now, he told her he's been working jobs out of state and living out of hotels and not receiving any of the official documentation from the court that was sent to the address he used to file the bankruptcy in May. Now, in July, we first revealed multiple customers had said they paid him thousands for projects that never got done. In some cases, they tell me he stopped responding to them, which happened to be around the time that he actually filed for bankruptcy. Now, some have filed suit, but those are on pause due to the ongoing bankruptcy case. Now, in court today, he also said that he sent a letter in July asking for his case to be dismissed, but the court has no record of this. And a judge told him, as they believe there could be possible assets that he didn't report, according to court documents, that it's not up to him to decide. And he now has an obligation to continue to comply with their orders. Now, after today's hearing, the contempt is lifted, and Ergel has promised to give over the financial documents that were requested from him months ago, as well as his iPad, documents concerning his Venmo account, and notices of default or eviction. He's also promised to show up to any future hearings. Now, we weren't able to catch him leaving court today, so I reached out to an email address, the one that he identified as his in court, and one we've never used to communicate with him before, to ask why he wanted the case dismissed. Now, he would not answer my questions. And there will be another meeting next month where people who say he owes them money will be able to attend and question him then. For Live 5 Investigates, I'm Blair Sable.